Hey there! In this video, we're going in-depth and step-by-step through installing your very own HoyluWall. Let's go through some of the things that you need. First off, your HoyluWall manual. A ladder, a drill, anchors and screws, toggle bolts, a vinyl cutter, mouse and keyboard, a wall for your HoyluWall. Where do you want to place your HoyluWall? Note that we recommend that you place your HoyluWall on a wall without a door. This is because constant slamming of a door can cause the projectors to shake, and this will affect the calibration of your HoyluWall over time. You can, of course, recalibrate the HoyluWall as much as you want, but it is our experience that it's best to avoid this issue. Ready? Let's get started. Measure and mark. Your HoyluWall manual details the exact positions of your projector mounts against the desired location of your HoyluWall. We've marked the edges and center of the desired placement of our HoyluWall with paper before marking everything with a pencil. Please note that these measurements and the instructions are designed for the standard HoyluWall installation with the Optima ZH500 projectors. If you decide to source your own UST projectors, we unfortunately cannot support or troubleshoot your install. Besides the projectors, the other component we will be installing are the boards. You will notice that these boards have hardware pre-installed. Mark where these mounts are placed against the board itself, which may be a few centimeters inward, to then mark where these mounts will be installed on your wall against the desired placement of the boards on the wall. As the board mount placements may slightly differ from board to board, you won't find these measurements in the manual. Have that measuring tape handy and don't confuse the edges of the boards with the placements of the board mounts. Make sure you install the board mounts on the wall facing upward so that the boards can slide down into place. Installing mounts. Once all the measurements have been marked in pencil, drill and install the mounts, both the projector mounts and the board mounts. Hang boards. Hang each board onto the board mounts that you have installed. Note that there are left-right end pieces as well as center pieces for your HoyluWall so that the boards can fit together smoothly. Attach, shimmy, and push them all together for a flush surface. Apply film. The microdot pattern film needs to be precisely placed against your HoyluWall. Use the buddy system to keep the film stable. If you're unable to roll out the film cleanly the first time, don't worry. Roll it back steadily and try again. Slow and steady wins the race. Use a vinyl cutter to remove excess film from the edges of your HoyluWall. We use this vinyl cutter as it's able to rest against the edge of a board and cut to get the most precise and straight cut. Connect PC. Your PC will need a power source, an internet connection, and a mouse and keyboard. The digital pens that come with your HoyluWall need to be connected by Bluetooth. You will notice that your HoyluWall package comes with a Bluetooth dongle to install into your PC. This dongle will ensure the highest quality connection with your pens. However, you must make sure to disable the Bluetooth card that your PC may already come with, as it might interfere with the connection. You can do this via the device manager on your Windows system. Next, connect your PC to output to your Optima projectors via HDMI. You may need an adapter to convert DisplayPort to HDMI. However, note that you should use the same cords and connections, and as few as those as you can, for both projectors so that the signals are outputting the same. Adjust projectors. Your exact projector settings will differ from system to system. If you have an edge-butted system, you can use the corner pin deform settings in the projectors themselves to fit the projection to the size of the boards. This will take some time fiddling to get them perfect. If you have an edge-blended system, you do not need to worry about this step. You will need to watch our video on edge-blended systems and adjust your projection via Scalable Desktop, which we go through in detail. Then, please return to this video to configure your pens. Connect pens. Power on your pens by pressing the power button until the pens flash blue. Navigate to your hidden icons on your taskbar, and then in Hoylu Central, click to open and add pens. In the pen scanning dialog, click Start Scanning. Click Pair for each pen. Pens will flash teal when paired successfully. Calibrating the screen. Reveal your hidden icons on your taskbar. Right-click the Hoylu Central icon and select Calibrate Wall. Select all the screens that you would like to calibrate. Tap the dots as they appear and be as accurate as possible. If you misclick, hit Escape and start over. When you're done, click Save and Close.